Well, good morning everyone. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal, and we are waiting on, I always say I am waiting on everyone else to get here. I guess we are waiting on, because you guys are included. But we're at the old Chick-fil-A, gonna get some breakfast before we go over to the Cars and Cantina Lava Cantina show here in the Colony, Texas. I don't know who they're honking at. Probably me. But anyways, waiting on a few more people to show up. I don't know who else coming today, but it should be a decent little group. We did a last minute show, like literally decided this yesterday, maybe Thursday, I don't know. It's Saturday for those that are curious about that time frame. I actually see him. Jamie's way over there. I can see her bright color car right in there somewhere ish. So they're almost here. We're gonna get some breakfast, head on over. We're gonna make this little quick short video today. I'm just gonna get some reactions of the guns because I haven't really done a very good job of that. I want to kind of set the camera up somewhere, maybe figure out a good place to set it where somebody doesn't snatch it, and leave it running and just get reactions of the guns scaring little kids. All right, see you in a second. There he is right now. Look at this. First electric Hummer I've ever seen. Let's see if he crab walks again. He was doing it right when I walked up. Look at that. That's so cool. We gotta check this thing out. I would like to do it. What did you see?
Dad! The minigun! I got bullets!
They've got a bunch of different and it's got the What is that? What is that?
You can shoot bullets!
Yeah. It's got machine guns.
A gorilla? Oh my god, why is it shooting at me? Oh my god.
So that was fun. I got a lot of cool reactions. I don't know how many I got on video because the GoPro died at some point. So that's gonna be it for today. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.
It's got like grenades. It's got like a grenade, smoke grenades in here. That is cool. All geared up for war.
We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change, keep the change. They hate and say we went and change. I stay the same. You must be blinded by the